What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in with you this morning. I'm out here getting everything lined out. Now I'm about to weld it out now. So I got everything tacked up, all in place like it needs to be. Everything is in alignment. And now I'm going to start welding this out here in a minute. I've been cleaned all my little spots up. So now it's all about welding it out now. So it shouldn't take me that long. I'll say about an hour, probably less than that. I'll have it welded out with how I'm doing it on both sides. So some welds I'm doing on both sides and some I'm doing on one side. It just depends on what type of connection it is. Oh, and I wanted to say something, man, while I was sitting here thinking real quick. I said something earlier this morning about welders and fitters having the hands of God, you know, having powerful hands to create things. And one good thing about a fitter, if you're a real good fitter, you can be able to have things line up without having a whole lot of gaps. Now, as you look down here and you see little small hair gaps I get, it's just for penetration. So if someone tells you, hey man, cut it 2 foot and 3/8, don't cut it 2 foot and then now you got a 3/8 gap. You know what I'm saying? Now I can see if it was a situation where you couldn't prevent it, but if you can prevent it, take your time. Learn how to read the tape measure like a carpenter. Read it twice, cut once. That way we ain't double working ourselves when we're in the field, because it's very, very valuable to utilize your time. So take your time, be a good fitter, take pride in what you do, believe in what you do, and just know that, you know, the finished product is you. So think of it like you looking yourself in the mirror. You know, before you leave the house, you want to make sure you look good. So make sure your product look good as well. Hog on.